Master the art of simplifying fractions. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're venturing into the world of math, but fear not. This is an integral part of understanding numbers and counting in English. Specifically, we're going to talk about an important concept, converting decimals to fractions. Within this, we'll focus on a critical step, which is simplifying fractions. So, let's dive right in. Before we dive into simplifying fractions, we need to understand what a fraction is. A fraction represents a part of a whole. It has a numerator, the top number, showing how many parts we have, and a denominator, the bottom number, showing the total number of equal parts. For instance, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. A simplified fraction is a fraction in its simplest form. This means that the numerator and the denominator are as small as possible, and can't be divided by any common number apart from 1. For example, the fraction 4/8 can be simplified to 1/2, as 4 and 8 can both be divided by 4. The process of simplifying fractions is straightforward. Here's how you can do it. 1. Find the greatest common divisor, GCD. This is the largest number that can divide both the numerator and the denominator without leaving a remainder. 2. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by the GCD. The result will be your simplified fraction. Let's illustrate this with an example. Consider the fraction 18/24. The GCD of 18 and 24 is 6. When we divide both 18 and 24 by 6, we get 3/4. Therefore, the simplified form of 18/24 is 3/4. Now it's time for you to practice. Try simplifying these fractions. 1. 20/25. 2. 16/64. 3. 30/42. Remember, the key is to find the greatest common divisor and divide both the numerator and the denominator by it. We hope this video helped you understand how to simplify fractions. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Remember, simplifying fractions is a crucial step when converting decimals into fractions, so mastering it will make your English language learning journey a lot smoother. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.